I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Ranger door with a broken handle. It can be frustrating when your door handle fails, but often you can still get the door open with a few simple steps. We will start by assessing the situation, checking which handle is broken, and ensuring the door isn't locked. Sometimes, the simplest solution is to try the handle on the opposite side of the vehicle first, which might save you some time and effort. Once you've determined the handle is truly broken, the next step is to access the internal mechanism. This involves carefully removing the interior door panel. You'll typically find one or two screws, often hidden under plastic caps or within the armrest. After removing these, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry off the panel, working your way around the edges. Remember to disconnect any electrical wires for switches before completely pulling the panel away. With the door panel removed, you'll see the inner workings of your Ranger's door. There's usually a plastic moisture barrier that you'll need to carefully peel back to get a clear view. Look for the metal rods or cables that lead to the door latch mechanism, which is typically located near the edge of the door. One of these rods is responsible for releasing the latch when the handle is pulled. Take a moment to identify this crucial connection point. Now that you've identified the correct rod, it's time to manually open the door. Gently pull or push the rod in the direction it would normally move when the handle is operated. You might need to experiment a little with the direction and apply a firm, steady pressure. Once the door pops open, you can then thoroughly inspect the broken handle and the latch mechanism to understand what failed. This will help you decide on the best course of action for a permanent repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.